How to redeem codes on PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can redeem codes on PS5, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I'm showing you this on my PS4, but the interface should also be pretty much the same on your PS5. Now basically you simply want to head over to your PlayStation Store, right? You have this on your PS4 as well as also on your PS5. Just head over to your PlayStation Store, and if you have a specific gift card or a voucher code, on the left hand side you can see different menu panels, right? You just want to scroll until you look for the option called redeem codes, and here as you can see I have the option called redeem codes. It says redeem PlayStation Network cards and voucher codes, so just click on the X button on your controller, and then here you can see it will ask me to enter my 12-digit voucher code or my prepared PlayStation card number. So all you have to do is just enter over here and then make sure to enter your code, and then make sure that they're actually also entered correctly as well. And once you make sure that they're entered correctly, just click on done, and if your number is correct you can just tap and continue, and if it's valid it's going to be successfully redeemed on your PSN account. And that is it on how you can redeem your codes on PS5. As I said, the interface should also be pretty much the same on PS4 as well as PS5. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.